Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. For the returning subscribers, please keep coming back and watching my videos. So today I'm going to do a cooking video and I'm going to cook something totally different called lasagna. So let's get into it. So we have onion, do 2 or more. There is coriander or dhania. There is yellow, red, and orange bell pepper. These ones are the bell peppers. We have cheese. We have cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, tomato paste, Royco cubes, soy sauce, Royco, corn flour, lasagna sheets. This is the main ingredient. You cannot cook lasagna without this. It looks like this. It's just like pasta but in bigger sizes. We have minced meat. I buy this because it's economical and cheap. We have paprika, coriander, salt, cooking oil, and we also need milk, but I didn't remove it earlier. We have a casserole dish for baking in the oven. So now let's start the cooking. So guys, I've turned on the fire. I'm going to add some oil. I'm also going to add in some butter. Then I'm adding in the onion. We're gonna let them cook, not until crispy, but translucent and soft. My onions are done, so I'm going to add in beef, minced beef. My hands are clean, guys. The heat is at medium low. Now I'm going to add in the spices. Going to add in the coriander. I'm eyeballing. Not a lot though, I don't like it spicy. Then paprika. And lastly my Royco cube. And then salt, not a lot because we'll be adding soy sauce. Stir in for the spices to mix in well. After that, I'm going to add in the bell peppers. And let it simmer for some time. So in a tin, I'm going to add in the corn flour. I'll measure 2 tablespoons. Two of those, and my Royco powder. I'm choosing it. This acts as a thinner for the gravy. Then I'm going to mix in with water. And stir in well. Back to my pot. I'm going to add in the tomato paste. And stir in well. I'm going to let this cook for 3 to 5 minutes or so. I'm still going to add more water. Here is where now you add in the soy sauce. Mix well. For the last bit now, I'm going to add in my mixture of corn flour and Royco. The more the gravy, the moist your lasagna will be. So I prefer it being not so runny, because as it cooks, the corn flour will make it thick. You'll see how it goes. Guys, look what I meant. You see, it's not as runny as it was when I was putting. This is the consistency I wanted. It will make your lasagna moist and yummy with every piece of meat. You can test here to check if it is adequately spiced. Yeah, we are done on this part. Now let's grate the cheese. Turn off the fire and set it aside. In a bowl, this is a slice of the cheddar cheese. I'm gonna grate it. For the gravy, I need oil, I need some salt, I need wheat flour, some corn flour and milk. So in this jar, I'm going to add in the 2 spoons of wheat flour and 2 spoons of cornstarch. Then I'm going to add in the milk. When it's well done, now we go to the fire. Switch on the fire, add in the oil, let it warm up, then add in your gravy. Keep stirring so that it doesn't stick. You stir until it becomes thick. If it's more thick, you can add in milk. Add more milk. Then a pinch of salt. All done. Now I'm going to switch off the fire to stop it from cooking more. Done. It's now time to layer it up. Also needed an oven. I'm going to switch it on, set it to 60 so that it preheats for around 10 minutes. Set it to maximum, that is 230, and I'm going to turn on both lights, both burners, the top and the bottom burner. As it's preheating, I'm going now to start stacking in my lasagna. Guys, now for the first thing you need to put your meat first down here so that it prevents it from sticking. Make sure each and every bit of the bottom of the casserole is fully coated. Then now we stack the lasagna sheet. Depending on how your bowl is shaped, you can stack 3 or cut small pieces like that. For mine, it doesn't fit well, so I'm going to cut in the edges, both sides, and push it to the end until it fits well, like that. You can add in the cut pieces at the far end of the casserole. Now add your gravy. Make sure you coat every part. Then add in your meat. Add in your cheese. I have different. You have mozzarella and cheddar. So I'm going to do both. I'm going to sprinkle the mozzarella, then the cheddar. Now we do another layer. Keep doing the layers. All done, guys. So I'm going to sprinkle some coriander leaves here, then set it inside the oven. Done, guys. It has been 10 minutes now and my oven is pretty hot. Place this inside uncovered and let it cook for 30 to 45 minutes.
A few minutes later.